Hi, my name is Texia. I currently study at Sanford Burnham Prebys Medical Discovery Institute in La Jolla, California, and I received the Predoctoral PhRMA Foundation Award. I come from a family of computer science majors, both my mom, my dad, my sister, my brother-in-law. So I thought that I also naturally was going to become a computer science major. When I first took my very first computer science class, I almost flunked that course. I then knew that computer science was not for me. I already had a big interest in biology. I grew up, like my desire when I was growing up, I always wanted to become a scientist. And so I gave it a shot, trying out research, and I fell in love. So my research project focuses on small cell lung cancer. Small cell lung cancer patients, their treatment options hasn't really significantly changed in the past 30 years, which is quite a long time. Their 5-year survival rate is less than 7%, which means that this is a really devastating cancer. And so we were really interested in being able to find other treatment options for it. What our lab focuses on is developing a new type of drug called a protein degrader. So unlike normal drugs in the market that only blocks a cancer-causing protein degraders typically are able to destroy the entire protein in the cell. And so this is really cool because our lab was able to find that when we remove the specific class of proteins that we are working on, called helicases, we're able to make these small cell lung cancer cells be really vulnerable to the current therapy treatment options that are available out in the market. So that's really exciting as we are able to now expand the treatment options available for small cell lung cancer patients. The PhRMA Foundation's support has been really transformative for me. It has allowed me to take a lot of intellectual risk with a first-in-class degrader project. It might have not been, funded through traditional grants because of its novelty, but for early career scientists like me, we have a lot of fresh ideas, we have a lot of passion, we have a lot of energy, but we kind of need resources to be able to test all the experiments that we want. And so this award has not only helped me advance my science, but has also given me a lot of confidence and momentum at a very formative stage in my career. A standout moment in my career journey was the time when I led an undergrad synthetic biology team called iGEM in the University of Washington. We were an all undergrad group, so we had to fundraise, we had to teach ourselves new techniques, and we had to basically build a research program from scratch. That was really interesting, having to think about finances, teamwork, team growth, and also learning how to present our work at an international conference. But at that conference, we were able to secure a silver medal, which really gave me confidence and just joy that, with teamwork and dedication, a lot of things, even us as undergrads can achieve a lot of things. Before coming into a PhD program, I had worked at industry for about 3 years. Well, I have been inspired to become a director who is able to lead a program from start to finish, all the way till it goes out to market. I know that the chances are really small and it might not happen in my lifetime, but that's my goal. That is what would drive me forward. I would really like to see a drug be able to be produced from bench to bedside.